Oh shit. We're live, baby. We're live. I think. Ugh. Was good chat. I'm just gonna tell Ruben that I'm live. I'm live on YouTube. Alright. Chat. Fuck. Oh my god. So annoying. I swear to god. I fucking... I was... Hold on, let me just go into the video real quick. Let me just go into... Alright. So, I was on on Twitch, and for the past hour, I have been trying to, be able to save my fucking, save the videos, but this shit is not working. It is just being so annoying, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Bum 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 bum. Boom, boom. Alright. But this shit is not working. It is just being so annoying, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. But, okay, so audio is working, baby. Let's go. Can we hear some Hollow Knight? Alright. Can we hear this shit? Can we hear this? I'm curious. Can we hear some Hollow Knight? Okay, that's a bit loud. Alright. Can we hear this shit? Can we hear this? I'm curious. Okay, what about now? Can we hear some Hollow Knight? Is this too loud? Is this too loud right here? Bro, I can't even hear it. Is this too loud? I'm curious. Okay, what about now? Can we hear some Hollow Knight? Is this too loud? Is this too loud right here? Bro, I can't even hear it. Is this too loud? I'm curious. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna pretend that it's all chill. Hate music. I can hear it twice. Oh yeah, that's because I was like testing out the audio and shit. Alright. Bro, Twitch was actually tweaking out hard. Like, so hard, bro. I'm so hard, bro. Anyway. Let's see. I want to make me a little. Alright, so we got one scene. Broski, why are you over there? We will make a control node. Whoa. In the control. Go there. What? Can I not, like, take this out? Yeah. Bro, what? Delete. Do I have to, like... Oh, need to make a new scene. So we'll save that real quick. Make a new scene. No, whoops. User interface. Then we will grab real quick a container or a label. Grab a container. And in the container we will schmacky doodle a label. A label. A label. Might wanna make this a little bigger. Transform. Oh yeah, Ruben, bro. What? Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. But I started playing Hollow Knight and it's peak. It's peak. Hollow Knight's peak. It's so peak. I was going to, so I started fucking doing this shit. Like, I started trying to stream like an hour ago. More than an hour ago, actually. I started trying to stream at fucking 8 o'clock, bro. 8 o'clock. And then Twitch for a straight hour was just fucking with me, bro. I have been trying to, enable this one feature, that allows you to look at your previous streams, and it just wasn't allowing me to do it at all, right? Because I hadn't done two-factor authentication, but I did do two-factor authentication. So I went onto different browsers, I cleared the cache on all my browsers, I logged out, logged back in, all of this shit, bro. So I logged out, alright, and then I logged back in, and then I cleared the cache, and then I logged back in. Didn't work. And then I logged out again, alright, and then I went onto a different browser, cleared the cache, right, logged back in, alright, waited 5 minutes, to see if that shit would fucking, you know, I don't know, reach a server or some shit, but it should be instantaneous. Anyway, bro, it still didn't let me do it because it thinks that I don't have two-factor authentication. So I disabled two-factor authentication and I re-enabled two-factor authentication, and I'm just, yeah, and it's still not working. So I was like, fuck it, I'm just gonna do it on YouTube so I can actually go back to my old shit. Yeah, bro. Yeah, so fuck Twitch, I guess. YouTube better anyway. Plus, I got 36 subscribers. But the only thing is that no one watches fucking streams on YouTube, like, ever in their entire life. So, oh well. Just sucks to suck, I guess. Anyway, so, bro, okay, so I had an epiphany. My balls tightened, right? My dick got bigger. I know. I know. Anyway, fuck the Pong game. New game idea. Gamers Gambling Incorporated. The premise of the game is you got heaps of small games that you can play to win money, but then, right, you can get the AI to fight itself, right? And then you bet on which AI is gonna win. Alright? Oh my. And you just keep getting more money with that. Yeah. I honestly thought it would be pretty, like, you could just make Pong. Wait, what? Yeah, how the fuck do you get 36 subscribers? I got 36 subscribers because I'm a fucking goat. Anyway, so, bruh. basically, I'm gonna make the AI, and I'm gonna make another AI. But it's gonna be the same fucking AI. So as soon as we make AI, boom, then we can get into gambling. Because like, all we need to do is see which one won. And then you get money from that. Seems like a pretty easy shit. But then you'd have to like put that shit in another thing, in like another little game. I don't know. I think it'd be fucking easy, pretty fun. Because you're doing is like copying and pasting like different shit that you've already made. And then making a gambling game out of it. It'd be so peak. It'd be so peak. Oh yeah, and then there's like difficulties to it. But I was thinking about it. Instead of a difficulty thing, it could be like a prestige. You know, like in like Roblox or some shit. You rebirth. Yeah. Well, it's like rebirthing, but with extra steps. No, it's not actually. It's just like normal fucking rebirthing, but it's so chill. Anyway, that was my Pong but gambling game that I was thinking of while I was like, I don't know, just an idea. It's just a theory, a game theory. This idea is peak. I know, bro. And not only is the idea peak, but you can expand on this shit. Bro, if you wanted to make like other games and put it on, like, if I wanted to play like, I don't know, shit, Snake or something. Like, if I wanted to recreate Snake just cause, alright, then we could make an AI to play Snake, and then you could like, fuck, that shit is low. Then you could get that AI to play Snake, and then once it finishes, you like get a bit of money. Or like, I don't know, you buy different games with the money to make more money. It's like Advantage of Capitalist, but for gamers who gamble. Bro. I haven't thought of the whole like the game scope yet, but it doesn't really need to. Bro, check out this tough ass video I made. Okay, bet. Do you give me consent to put it on the stream that only you are watching? Bro, what? That's crazy. Fuck, that's loud, bro. Bro, this is some like flash game shit. Oh my. This is tough. Programming. Oh my. Hollow Knight. Oh my. Playing games. Oh my. What the fuck is that thing? All different chickens. W, bro. Pixel art. Holy. Interactive videos. Wow. Yo, W business. Bro, music? No way. Entertainment. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm giving this a like. How do you have like no likes, bro? Wait, just go back to Hollow Knight. W, bro. Actually good games. Holy shit. I hope you enjoy. Wow. That was truly phenomenal. Let's see what else we got. Banger songs. Oh wait, shit. I'm gonna get copyrighted for that.
Ready to discover.
Nope, no, stop it. Bro, please. Fuck off. Not you, Raven. W. Bro, the shirts didn't look that bad. The next Mr. Beast. Bro, you could have been. Honestly, I'd buy you a shirt if it was like $3. I genuinely don't have that much money. Oh shit, bro! I put my apple pie in the air fryer, and that shit came out black. Black. Hold up. Let me pull up a pic of my black ass pie. I called it a black apple pie. The black apple pie. You see that shit? Bro, this shit was black as hell. It did not taste good at all. Like, at all. Anyway, control, container, label in that bitch. What else do I do? Transformers, roll out. I mean, I guess I could just, like, do this. I forgot. I forgot how to do the other thing. But for this baby, I'm gonna put it in center, put it in the top, man. Bottom right, man. Fuck. Label settings? Bro, what? Clear, man. Bro, what? Command Z. Control Z? Command Z. What? Oh shit. Wait, Command Z and then what? How do you uncommand Z? Command Y? Fuck. Okay, whatever. I'll just make it again. I'm gonna get the controller, container, smack that bitch in there. I actually just died when you said black. Change the container to a center container? Okay, change type, center container. Sorry, but like, center containers don't exist. You're schizophrenic. I don't have to tell you. Or are you trying to say that you gotta put it in the center? Center container? What the fuck is a center container? Offset, transform. Localization. Tool. Focus. Accessibility region. Fuck. Container. Center. Container. What the fuck do you mean? What do you mean change it to... How? What do you mean center container? It's... Well, I want to see me do this real quick. Oh yeah, I'm about to do it. Okay, cool. Center container. So center container is actually a thing. Change type. It's a node. You just shiz. You just shiz. First, get out of the fuck that means. Oh wait, that was my fucking bad, I guess. Use top left. Layout. This node is a child of irregular control. Use anchors and rectangles for positioning. Use anchors and rectangle for positioning. Anchors and rectangle. Bro, honestly, I want another black apple pie. I want a black apple pie. anything but work. Anything but work. Alright, Ruben, you gotta give me a little tip here. You gotta give me a little tip. Okay, give me a little tip. A full rectangle. Oh. Is that it? Oh, okay. I was gonna position it like in the middle and just like slide down a bit. Or like just wherever. Oh shit. Bro, Mummy has these like spray things, and I swear they are the worst. Like they smell good, but like it's too powerful. Like honestly. Label. Start. Start. What the fuck? What am I doing? What am I doing? I need to. Change the size. The layout? No, it's transform layout. Transform is in layout. Size. What? For positioning. Theme overrides for text and stuff like that. Theme overrides, oh, okay. Theme overrides. Font size. Thank you. Start. We'll leave it at 75, I guess. Oh wait, hold on. I want a big button. Delete. Start. Colors, fonts. Let's see what other fonts we got. Let's not see what other fonts we got. Font sizes. Change the size a little bit. Very nice. Very nice. We'll put that up to 70, I guess. It's probably good enough. Put all the center containers under it. Hold on, what? Horizontal. The fuck, bro? Yeah, okay. Fuck. Yeah, that is. The fuck? No. Running the wrong shit. Oh, that's the main scene. How do I run this scene? You can make ones. Duplicate the buttons that will line up. Yeah, I don't want to duplicate it yet because I want it to look better. But I want to round the edges and stuff a bit more. Make the button like stretch out a bit. Theme. The hell? The fuck is all this? Default preview. Probably read the documentation. Yeah. I mean, only way to get better is learn. So, I shall learn how to button. Let me see. I'm low-key integrated. What the fuck? Button thing. Right, my grandma's like, there's never gonna be an industry for gaming, and you should like. She doesn't want me to do all this shit. I'm just like, bruh, too bad. Buttons on the same button that contain text icon will display them accordingly. Current theme example. The fuck? The fuck? I would like to just play this. Oh, that's how. Okay, so it does come up with a hovering thing. That is what I want. And it comes up in the middle. Yeah, that looks fine. Not really. Particle effects. No, fucking particle effects. Oh shit. Well, how do I layout causation? Who is texting me? Bro. This one? How the fuck do I give this a background? Adding an animation play to the button. No, because in a button, like in the button itself, you should be able to like change the I literally watched a fucking video about it before I came on here. I just I forgot how to do it. So gore. Piss off that, please. Create main menu. Alright, yeah, he did. Let's get rid of like all this real quick. Please. Please. Alright, he did. Probably should have named that a little while ago. That's so chill. And he added himself just a button, just to begin with. And then with the button, after he made the button, how do you move it to the middle? So he did that. Wait, what? Blah, blah, blah. Yep. Oh, okay. So this thing right here, you can make it go into the middle. Cool. So this is an anchor preset. We can just automatically put it into the middle for you. Sweet. Yeah. Then I'll name it start game. Start game. I'm gonna go to les fonds fazer. Non è voir les fonds fazer. Les fonds. What if I have a phone? Bro. Phone size. I'll just increase that and increase him a little bit. Not. That's probably chilling. Okay. That's fine, I guess. Now what did this guy do to make it look sexy? Where did styles? Oh. Style flat bar. Box flat. Okay. So in here there's styles. Style box flat. Can change the background color. We'll do a, I don't know. We'll do a white background color. Or like pretty much white. And make the colors for the font black. Font for this font hover black. Font first. Yeah, so. What about 2%? Fucking 2%. What the fuck? Why is it only warning me at 2%? Bro, my run looks so goofy. Oh, no, hold up. You gotta look at these things. These peak socks. My mom gave them to me. These things, they're like knitted by some random ass Asian. They're peak. Peak. But they make me slide around everywhere. Okay, dokie. Yeah. Alright, that looks a little bit better. Now, colors. Who's messaging me? No one's messaging me? The fuck? Oh, it's you. Crowd made. Oh shit. This is your fucking this is your fucking shit. Bonkator 3000 tote bag. That's a fucking expensive tote bag, bro. Do you have any of these? Like, did you buy them yourself? Raining cats. Bro, I love the art. It looks peak. Absolutely peak. Thank you, bro. Hover. I can make it skew a little bit. Oh, that's cool. Not that I'm gonna do it. Corner detail. Is that the corners? Give it a shadow. Yeah, it's black. Give it a little bit of that. I don't know, 10, I guess. Or 9, we're good. 9. Content margins. What the fuck? Anti-aliasing. Something like this. Don't know what the hell that did. Shadows. Expanding margins. Fuck off. Corner radius. Ah, I see. That's a bit much. Let's go 30's more than enough. I'll go 25 actually. 25. Sweet. And then we will Start game. Start game. Let's like duplicate that. Oh wait, hold on. No, not happy with it just yet. Will not duplicate just yet. Delete. Delete. This guy right here. I think just like a gray would be fine. Or like, yeah, gray's fine. Or that? We'll try that, we'll try that. You know what? We're gonna do a white. White? Like it's slightly fading out. Oh, it's not got a shadow either. Wait, hold on. Why can't I just like... Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Fonts? No. Styles? Yeah, there we go. Okay, unlink them, but now they should be the same, I believe. Yeah, they are the exact same. So now I can go in here and just change this to slightly see-through, I guess. Now, yeah, cool. Sweet, I'm happy with that. Maybe I will increase the text size a little bit. Where the fuck did it go? Theme overrides, that's it. Font size. F5. Let's see if there's any other fonts. Nope, gotta download them. Toggle the stroke blocks to serve as resource properties. Modify the property. Okay. Then. That should be fine. And now, duplicate that. And make this like, I don't know, options. Wait. So we have start game, end game. Start game, multiplayer. Or 2-player. And then quit. Or quit game. Quit game. Let's put this in multiplayer, I guess. And then put all three of these. Where is it? Where is it? Is it horizontal? I think H-box container. No, not H-box container. Recant. Nope. No, no, no. Change. Nope. Okay. Change type to a VX. There we go. There we go. And center this. We have the H-box container. I should be able to change the space between them. So hold on, I might just do this real quick. So for a multiplayer, I'm gonna change this name to multiplayer. And then theme overrides, styles. Was it styles? Yeah, I think it was. That's 0, that's 0. Wait, what the? Oh, they're linked. Unlink. Where the fuck did it go? Corner radius. Yep, there we go. And then, whoa, what did I do? Wait, oh, it's right there. Okay. And then change the corner radius for this one as well. Corner radius. Sweet, that's multiplayer done. Multiplayer, and then this is quit. Quit game. Then for quit game, going to go to theme overrides. Going to go to why do I keep forgetting about this shit? Styles, that's it. Unlink the style, click that shit. Where's corner? Bam, bam. 25, 25. Alrighty, sweet. And that is it. No, it's not. It's not it. Corner radius. 25, 25. Okay, run this real quick. Okay, everything is working fine besides start game. Start game. Overrides, styles, this one. Five. And then that should be good. Yeah, sweet. That's that done. Now I will default, right? As a sibling, select node. Hold shift as a child of selected node. Alt add child of root node. What? Oh no, I'm just gonna put it in here. And I'll put it under this guy. Like that. And then I'll put that's Sprite fucking 2D. Okay then. Visibility. Shit, you're still watching me. Sorry, Ruben. Also, try system font. You might get select font. Spacing is VBox. Oh yeah. Okay, so there's that, and I think that looks pretty good. Now I wanna move this guy down a teensy bit. Not that much. I want to space them apart a little bit. Layout. Custom minimum. Customization. Anchors. Custom operation tooltip. Theme overrides. Constant separation. There we go. I'm gonna do a little bit of separation. Now, I guess for this, have it a little bit brighter. Alright, I'm gonna need like Oops. What's gonna be called? Pong Money Dong. Pong. It's looking so peak right now. Thank you, bro. Thank you. It's so peak. It's so peak. Yes. It's so freaking peak. Some freaking M&Ms. Peak M&Ms. This is an M&M break. The red one is the best one. Should I call it anything other than Pong? Fuck Pong. Alright. I'm gonna move it down a little bit. Whoops. How the fuck do I do that? I literally did it before. Yeah, whatever. Alright. W. Freaking screen. Look at this. Bro, even the clicks look sexy. Oh my. W. It's so big. Oh, M&M's taste the same to you. Look, you can tell yourself that it tastes the same. And let's just agree to agree. These are the most peak chips in existence, bro. I'm telling you. They're the best. Hold up. But I keep seeing this. And I'm like, every single time I see it. Hold up. Sorry. Okay, it's my screen, hold up. But I keep seeing this every single time I look over. Look at this. I look in the corner of my screen, and it says here, 78,658 views. And I'm like, wait, people watching my shit? And then I realize it's this fucking video, bro. Let's see how many views I've actually got. Oh my god. Who watching? Whoa! The people who are watching is probably me and Ruben. Ruben and I. Wait, where did my chat go? Wait, what the fuck? The chat disappeared. What the hell? My chat disappeared. The fuck? Where did my chat go? Grab his chat. I'll see what's Holly doing. I think Holly's watching a movie or like watching YouTube or something. We're having dinner. Streaming. Bubba, I'm streaming. I'm streaming. Streaming. Oh my god, bro. Alright. Now that I've got the most. Oh, fuck. Wrong screen. Now I've got the most fire screen. Fire freaking play screen you ever seen in your entire life. Like, honestly. Ow! Ah! Ow! I'm gonna complain about the chip going up my jaw, and then I'm gonna make multiplayer. Cause it's the only. Oh no! I'll make the quit game first, and then I'll make multiplayer. Cause multiplayer is basically already made. I just need to duplicate the game and then tweak around with the movement a little bit. And then multiplayer is done. Quick game's easy as balls. And ow! Fuck. The chip keeps standing upright in my mouth, but it's fucking pointy. And then it just jabs me. That hurts. Multiplayer easy, quick game, easy. Start game. I gotta make the AI. Down the ball randomness. Start menu, that's almost done. We don't have violent particles, but we got particles. And I kind of like the particles that we got. Gambling. Okay, the whole gambling thing is after we make AI. Because once the AI is done, then I feel like gambling is just basically 100% UI. And I don't mind designing a UI. UIs are just kind of fun. So, yeah. But the AI is the most difficult part. Could make levels. That could be cool. Oh, gotta make a windscreen. Blue screen. Rules. Rules screen. I'm tempted on making an options. Hmm. 2D platformer? No, I'm just kidding. No, bro. Imagine you just playing Pong, and then like 3 ball bounces in, the Pong like drops out, and you're just like moving across the screen as this little Pong dude, and then it turns into a what's it called? It turns into a Stickman campaign game. We have to break out of the world and rise up. Bro, the 3D is so chill. I feel like the gambling game is A, easier to implement, and B, probably gonna be a lot more fun. And C, way less graphics oriented. Because I was thinking like, I'm gonna start using Blender and shit, and like make 3D models, and like, and different sprites and stuff for different characters and all this shit. But instead, let's just do a little bit of gambling. Because gambling will be fun. But come on, it's gambling. I don't gamble with money on the line, but I gamble with points in a game. Late stages of the game is just like investments. You invest in Pong and you get a return on investment. Like, the fuck? No, I don't even know. But I think the whole gaming idea is really fun. Also, it'll be really funny if someone's playing and then just randomly. Oh wait, hold on. So I was thinking, right? You could you could upgrade the amount of like Pong gambling that you're doing, as in like you could make multiple games of Pong run at the same time. Kind of like Cookie Clicker, when you buy like an extra granny, and then that granny's making more cookies for you. But this one, you're making more instances of Pong. And then like you're like increasing the amount of things, like the amount of Pong that you're like betting on. Right? But it would be really funny if someone has like 1,000,000 Pong games running at the same time, and then like boom, 1 second later he loses all of his money because every single one of them loses. And then he's like, wait, what even happened? And he has to like rage. Holy, hello. Hi, Bubba. Yeah, and then he just like quits the game. Big gameplay. Just rage bait everyone. I don't know. Okay. So. Should probably get this thing to do something. This is Pong. Multiplayer Pong's basically already made. But I should probably make the quit function first. Right. Signals. Wow, I really gotta get rid of these chips. We need something that will absolutely cook Belcher. Bro, I'm talking about making a gambling game from Pong as my first game. It's just a first game. Chip Pong. Absolutely peak, Holly. So peak, bub. But it's a bit hard to make chip Pong with no chips. What is crown? What is the crown? Oh, my top fans. You guys can officially say you're my top 2 fans. fucked up. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Get tree. It's exit? No, it's on quick game pressed. No. How to okay. That should work, I think. Whoops. Yeah, cool. Now multiplayer. Now I'll keep working on this, but I'll control on a tree root. Why can't I duplicate? What? Do you know Celeste Ball? No, bro. I actually don't know Celeste. It is currently $7 though. For the next 4 hours. Damn. Damn, Celeste looks actually like... Thinking about like something that like I would create, the pixel art is like pretty on par with what I would see my pixel art being in like a few months time, maybe. The shading's pretty fucking crazy though. But like that actually looks really good though. It's just like, I don't know, is that a platformer? It just looks really difficult. My hands are so cold. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, damn, like, it looks really cool, but it looks really difficult. Dum, ba-da-dum. What am I doing? Duplicate scene and glue. What would I call this bitch? Let's go main menu. Main game. Main game? Pong. Main game. Limit main game. And then I will duplicate it and call it multiplayer. Ball. Player and the CPU are basically the same jigger. This player 2 is under, so I've got to make it a paddle first. And then that, and then it should under. No. Stones paddle. Or what? Are they not the same thing? Just gonna check if Ruben's saying anything or Holly's saying anything. Powers for the AIs. Gamble on it and have a better chance. Could run on 10 games. Yeah, bro, that's like what I've been thinking this entire time. Like, yeah, that's like basically the premise of the game that I was thinking of. Only took my 5 hours on one level. Yeah, bro, I bet you beat that shit. Bro, what time is it? Bro, I'm so lucky to have Holly, honestly. She is the best. Like, really. What was I doing? Project settings. Why is it over here? Because this is full screen. Put this over here. Bro, what? Levels? Inclusion, input. Up, down, okay, so... Go to that, go to that. Get rid of that, get rid of that. And... Wait, where is this shit? That direction. Put it 2 up. Way 2 down. expected. Alright, cool. So that should be all. Wait, hold on. Wrong thing. Oh, yeah, okay. This. Nope. Might be because of this. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, yeah, that would help. Wrong one. Wait, hold on. Is this Stardew Valley? Since when was I playing Stardew Valley? Oh shit! And this is from Stray. Oh my gosh. W freaking song choices by random ass shit. Playing against myself. Fuck. Yes. Yes. Yes, W. W. No, I'm actually getting good at this. Alright, well, multiplayer works. So, that's good. Main menu, multiplayer. Grab this guy right here. On thingy thing. Choosing to file. Was this multiplayer? Yeah, multiplayer. Same thing here. To here. But instead of multiplayer, it's main game. Sweet. So now all of these buttons work, and I'll go to project settings, general, display window, display server. I need to make the main game this. And what? Okay, we got application config run. Oh, it would probably be in run, huh? Yeah. So it would be main menu. So now when I press this, yep. Multiplayer. I want to be able to quit it in the game as well. So I'll make a project settings, input, quit. Quit game will be fucking space, maybe? We'll do delete. Should we add another? Oh, escape. No, duh. Oh, we'll delete anyway, just cause. Sweet. So I'll put in the Pong script. Is that game? Yeah. Input is actually pressed. Good. That's fine. Then what would we do? What would we do? Get tree. Nope. Get tree dot. What do we do here for get trees quit? Okay. Get tree dot quit. Now let's just see if this works in normal game. does not work. It has to be on the start. So we grab this. Instead of in ready, make funk process. Funk process. Yeah. Why is that highlighted? No, it's not. It's chill. So now, sweet, cool. Now I'm just gonna copy that and put that into multi. Oh my god, are they named the same fucking thing? Oh, they both have the same code. What the hell? Oh, of course they do. Okay, so if I just do that, multiplayer. Oh, sweet. Wait, hold on, does that mean that in main game? Main game. Can I see if it's still here? Cool. The hell is dad? Holy dad. So cute. Sweet. So now start game. What? Start game works, and the other guy doesn't do shit. Bruh. Oh shit. Yeah, the other guy just cannot do anything. Sweet. And then I can escape out of it. Sweet. If I play it back up again. Go. Bruh. Multiplayer. Sweet. Okay, bro, I'm just actually duck shit. No, bro, please. Give me a fighting Give me a fighting chance. Alright. It's gonna bounce off that wall. Oh my god, what a save of the century. Yes! Fucking die! That's right. Yep. Bam. Fuck. Easy. Fuck. Easy defense. Easy get. No. Fuck this game. Alright. What time is it? 11 o'clock. Alright, so. Done start menu. Hold on, what is the thing for striker? Okay, so start menu. I even made multiplayer. And multiplayer. So that's all good. Alright, so made a start menu, start game, multiplayer, quit game, and we even made, okay, well, escape is not working there. I guess we will put this inside of main menu as well, because it would be nice to be able to put like that as well. So, or what? What is that glitch? Anyway, I can do it like that. Cool. Delete. Yep. Delete works. We are chilling. Chilling. Well, I guess that's all for the game now. At least for now. Yeah, well, I feel like that's quite a bit of progress today. And it's probably the most progress I've done by myself, alone, without Ruben's help. So we've got a start screen, multiplayer, quick game. We've made the multiplayer playable. We've made quick game and Silli all functionable. The only thing that we don't have that's not functional in this is the AI. As soon as we get the AI working, then basically this entire game is kind of finished. But then, you know, rebels, some violent particles when you get on the I think the win screen and the lose screen will be easiest. Yeah. Win screen and lose screen should be the easiest out of them to make next. Rule screen also. Yeah, and AI. Gotta add AI at some point, but not looking forward to that. But yeah, that's Game Dev 1.1. It's not 1 because, well, I already had half the game already, so. Because I was streaming on Twitch, and also Ruben and I were just forking around beforehand. That's it for me. Good night, everyone. I'm gonna go to bed. Hopefully I'll be on tomorrow morning. Yeah. Alright. Good night. Oh my god. You will not be able to reconnect your streaming with the